Hi guys, and welcome to Alistair Coral Photography. Now, we just had such a great success from our last warrior shoot, so I brought Tegan back with the tribal warrior outfit again. We just kind of wanted to show you a more striking warrior lighting set. So we've got a beauty dish here, which is just facing Tegan at a 45-degree angle. So it is going to give a shadow down this side, and we've got a red gel just also behind. Now, the reason for picking these is we wanted it to give a more contrast, striking look to these images compared to the fine art ones. So we are expecting a lot more shadow. So what we have done here, we're going to keep Tegan at a bit of a 45-degree angle, but turning slightly towards us. We're going to get the axe involved as well. And what we are trying to actually do is get the red coming through to give that war look, and this beauty dish to also show off the outfit and the axe. But what we are finding is, even though I'm shooting at 200th of a second, f16 and 100 ISO, Tegan's got something called panda eyes, which is where the light is causing a shadow on the eyebrows and it goes over the eye. So what we're going to do is just ask Chris just very kindly to pop in a reflector just underneath the beauty dish, just to pop in a little bit of field light there. So then if Tegan does a few facing me, perfect. Let's have a check of those. It needs to go a little bit closer, so a little bit more like that. Perfect. So yeah, so we're going to be cropped to about a quarter length shot here, and this is just going to give that effect we're after. And if you haven't got a reflector, you can use a third light if needs be. So if we do some more half length ones, so if we just drop it down a little bit there, perfect, thank you so much. And we just drop it there, perfect. We just clipped off the axe there, so we just grab a couple more. There we go. So that's a quick little video and setup you can do only using 2 lights. I hope you have enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers, guys.